Hi, this is Rick from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2014 Kia Rio, stock number 7045. It's ran from the 8th of 2011 to the 11th of 2016. Here's a G4FD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory made tyre. Left-hand door mirror, left front and left rear door 1 dent, left rear 16-inch factory made tyre, left-hand tail light, rear tailgate, no dents, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory made tyre, right rear and right front door, no dents, right-hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 16-inch factory made tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,